Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with both safety and styling without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 INFINITI Q50 in iridium blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch upper touchscreen display and 7-inch lower touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5791.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.